Hey everybody, you're watching Michigan Farmer 421. I'm Clyde, and today we are going to showcase, finally, my 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. This is way overdue, way overdue. Okay, so here I have my 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins with the 5.9 Cummins, I guess, if you put it in terms. It is a quad cab short box. Four-wheel drive, has approximately, let's just say 300,000 miles. It's a little under that, but yep. So this truck is the replacement for the 2005 Dodge Ram 2500. There's not much left of it. It's almost all gone. So, yep. So this truck, the reason I did not post a video when I bought it back in December was because it was getting some new injectors put in it. Long story short, I probably should have did more research, but I didn't. So there is that. So show you my nice quad cab. So this is technically Ford's extended cab, but Dodge has a quad cab to make it 4 doors. So I mean, usually everything's the same. We did transfer the data monitor over from the other truck, and then I bought another pink CB for this truck because I wanted a second chance at it. One thing I did not showcase in the other Dodge is that there's another compartment under the seat. I did not know that, and now I do, I guess. So back here, I do like the back seats that they do flip up. There's some other stuff. Obviously, I've had this truck for a little bit, so I kind of moved in. This truck is equipped with a B&W gooseneck hitch turnover ball, which obviously does not turn over because you live in Michigan. Everything is seized. So, yeah, it has a brand new, had a brand new box put on it about 2 years ago. It's showing a little bit of bubbling, but it's better than being completely rotted off. It has a 5-inch exhaust, straight off the turbo, no mufflers or anything. There was a muffler on that other truck. My ears are still cold. But, yeah, so it's really kind of the same. And the only thing different from this model than the 05 is the radio, which that at one time will get replaced because the speakers suck in this thing. Let's see. There's two 75 tires on it right now. It used to have two 85 tires, 17-inch rims. It'll probably get 285s this summer, I'm hoping. If not this summer, next summer. It does have a ding in the door. That happened after I bought it. That's getting addressed next week. Show you under the hood of this thing. This thing has kind of the same similar mods as what the 05 had. Just exhaust and cold air intake, really. Well, more of like a hot air intake. It's got the AFE power. It needs a new filter. Cold air intake, straight down the turbo. And then you can see down in there that 5-inch exhaust. It is actually a different fuel system than the 05. It has cable driven. Like the other one had a foot pedal wired, but this has a cable comes up here to do the... Yeah, it's goofy on how this works, but it's not a VP44. It's got the CP3 in it. That battery's new. That battery's out of the old Dodge. That's getting replaced at some point. But, yeah, so it's really kind of really close to the other truck. It's just a quad cab short box, really. The other truck box, like the toolbox, will not be going in this truck because then that'd make it like 4 feet a box, and that's not gonna work for me. So, and then I also believe this truck is a high output model because the ECM was flashed in 07. Because it says fuel mod. So I'm assuming high output mode. So yeah, she's got some juice. I'm gonna unplug her here because got a nice snow this oh my gosh. Got a nice snow this morning in March, and yeah, it got dumped on again, but it's melting away. So, get in here and try. Turn my blower motor off. Alright, here we go. A little ornery at first. It does smoke a bit. I think it's just the new injectors that got to break in. But yeah, she's pretty quiet for a 5-inch exhaust. wrong with it. The transmission was rebuilt in 2015. And yeah, so eventually we will get shots of it doing things like driving and whatever. But yeah, I like it. I actually like the 04 engine a lot better than the 05. It's got more power, probably because of the fuel mod flash, but yeah. Although the 30 gallon tank does suck to fill with the way fuel prices are right now, so make sure I don't quit my day job, and I'll have to pick up another job. And then, oh, the Fummins is back, not fixed, but it seems to be driving just fine because I took it out last weekend. So I don't know what's going on there. I'd still plan on pulling the trans at some point, but not until it completely goes. Because it's technically, it's doing the same exact driving it was doing last summer just fine. So yeah. So there you have it. There's my new to me 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. Told you I'd get a video posted at some point. But yeah, I also have an Instagram now, Michigan Farmer 421. Go on ahead and follow over there if you want to see just some cool shots and pictures of it. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.